Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you on a Friday afternoon from the studio here at the New York Stock Exchange overlooking the trading floor. And as you can see right behind me, the week is soon going to be coming to an end with hiring heroes ringing the closing bell. Fitting at this time. At the same time, it's not quite 4 o'clock. The markets, they're not going to close anytime soon, but very soon. And it's, you know how we do here at Modern Wall Street. We try to get the weekend started early. So let's get it done. It's an early Friday happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, just one day after all three, the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq all closed at record highs. That's the first time since 1999. U.S. equities are flat this Friday afternoon as investors continue to take in disappointing economic data. Disappointing, but the market's still flat. Let's discuss those data reads as retail sales for July, highly anticipated, they came in unchanged. But economists were expecting a 0.4% increase. Meanwhile, the July reading of the Producer Price Index showing a decline of 0.4%. Economists were calling for a 0.1% gain. Both reads short of expectations. Now, the weak retail sales data just released one day after strong earnings from retail giants Macy's and Kohl's, therefore having some contradiction. Meanwhile, other data released today included business inventories rising more than expected in June and consumer sentiment for August coming in below expectations. And with oil prices rising, with crude advancing 2.2% to trade at $44.43 a barrel, trying to extend yesterday's sharp rally, the U.S. dollar falling against its counterparts, and Asian equities rising overnight to close out the week, then you have yourself a session right now behind me where advancers are just a step ahead of decliners here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just this session, but the week as well. And it's a Friday, so rather than talk about corporations, I had to talk about sports. Yes, this weekend is all about the Olympics, USA. And there's also a weekend at Citi Field for the Mets, and quite frankly, I think they're out of it, but you gotta believe. And the beginning of global football leagues kicks off this weekend. We have France and England most notably, but the most important thing is USA. Now for Modern Wall Street saying I'll see you guys all on Monday morning. Have yourselves a great weekend, and USA. I'm James Sweeney.